My name is Scotty Cook. I teach at Alexander Central High School in Taylorsville, North Carolina, and I teach ag mechanics, a couple of levels. Ag mechanics 1 has a general welding section in it and oxyacetylene, and then ag mechanics 2 is metal fabrication, where we actually fabricate and make projects and do different types of weld joints. The table made by CEF is a little bit different than other tables that we welded on. In comparison to what I've had to what I have now, this table works a lot better as far as the integrated clamping system that goes with it. The work can be held in one place and doesn't move whenever the students weld, and my students really appreciate that. When you're teaching high school students, it can be very frustrating for high school students to learn how to arc weld, especially stick welding, shielded metal arc welding. When they bring the electrode down, sometimes it sticks, and that can frustrate the student. But if you have their material moving at the same time, it's even more frustrating. So having this table and utilizing the clamping system is it eliminates one factor that helps students in the long run weld better. Students really like the table. I like it and they like it because you can move it around. So we have one table and have many students. We can actually move it to the welding booth, being able to move it around to the students, and they just really enjoy having a work table that's secure, solid, and that can secure the work too.